March 4th, 2026. We had another interesting day in the market. You can see from the volume alone, this is a daily chart of NASDAQ. You can see in the volume alone that this isn't nothing, okay? We're clearly in the middle of a huge range. We've been stalling for a long time. Are we going down? Are we going up? I don't know. There's a lot of drama in the market because of that. A lot of people think fearful right now. But either way, we are seeing a lot of strength. And it seems like the momentum is shifting upward. So the bias that we get from the momentum, which is the MACD indicator, remember momentum can be translated in terms of probability. Momentum simply makes an asymmetrical cloud of probabilities that we need to be aware of. So when we have momentum going up on many different time frames, we know that this asymmetry of the probability distribution, the probability in our favor, is much higher than normal. So what are we looking at right here? Today we had a pop-up, a really strong pop-up, and we're looking at the volume and the momentum. Not trying to get all mystical with this, just look at the momentum and look at the volume every day at the close and at the open. Look at where the flow is going. This is just important to keep that in mind. So before the market even opened today, we had 5 consecutive days of selling off, even though we had a lot of green buying volume coming in. The momentum is holding on top of the bullish zero line. So we had a bias towards, an upward move today. That's just logic. It doesn't matter. Doesn't mean it's gonna dictate how we trade. But it's just nice to look at these things and take them all into effect. Let's look at the trades I took today and go over my decisions. So I took 2 trades today. After having a profitable month, I have been trading a lot less, and that's interesting. And I didn't decide to do it. It's just something that's happening to me, and I find that very interesting. And yeah, I don't have any desire to take a whole bunch of trades anymore. I just take very few trades now. It's only 3 trading days into the new month. I had a profitable February. Now we're in March. And only 3 trading days in March, and I've only taken 4 trades. That's not a lot of trades, and they've all been wins. It's very interesting to see how my psychology is changing, though. We open the market and we pop up. We pop up big time. There was a bunch of opportunities to take trades here, as you can see from my purple lines. That you see, these purple vertical lines are trades that I wanted to take, but I did not act on. We had a big move up. We opened and we consolidated around. We bounced off of the previous day lows, and then we came up and we consolidated and bounced off of the pre-market. Sorry, highs and lows. My bad, I got confused for a second. These are the highs. This is the previous day high, and then this is the pre-market high right here. So the market opens, and we are bouncing between these pre-market levels. Yesterday's high, pre-market high. And then what happens right here? What do you see? A volume confluence. This is a 2-minute chart. A volume confluence on the right side of the momentum. And at this very current point in time, let's look at what the higher time frames were telling us, okay? 5-minute going up. 15-minute in the green. 30-minute in the green. This is an alignment. This is a full alignment. The fact that I didn't take this trade is a horrible thing. I should have taken this trade. That's why I marked the trade right here. That's what this mark is. And I didn't take the trade. That trade would have resulted in a magnificent win. A grand win. The price never would have come back. Price comes up, penetrates through last week's open-close range. Comes up, consolidates, consolidates, consolidates. And I decide to take my first trade right here. Right where you see that yellow line. And it's a short trade that I'm taking. So we've just had this monster run up. And I'm saying I'm going to take a short trade. Isn't that interesting? And the beauty of this strategy is that the probabilities are with you if you're following the rules. So what am I doing? The 30-minute tapering down. We've now broken variance. The previous level, we have broken that variance level. Now we're right here at this current point in time, right when I take this trade right here, yellow line, vertical line. This is that point in time right here on the 30. 15-minute. What do you see? We are crossing over. We're about to hit the red. We're at the 0. A lot of momentum is now building. What do you see in the 5? The 5 isn't going against us anymore. The 5 is now tapering, going with us now. It's turning, going with us. This is an alignment of momentum. What do we see here? A 2x3 volume confluence. 3 volume bars, this one greater than the first, and 2 minimum are aligned with our trade. We're taking shorts. Going down, down. We're now going down. This is a short opportunity. Enter right here at the close of the candle. Stop loss slightly above. Sell the majority of the position at that first profit target. That was a win. Next trade was right here. Why did I take this trade? Because look at how this... Notice how this price action is having trouble breaking through this level. Look, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Denial. So now we're on a denial after being denied many times. We're on a denial path. And what do you see right here? A 2x3 volume occurrence. And also a power volume bar right here as well. 5 minute is going down. 15 minutes still going down. We're in the red. Everything's going down. Do you see the symmetry? Do you see the fractal and momentum? So we enter at the close of the candle. Right here. Stop loss slightly above. Sell the majority of the position at that first level right there. Then we let the remainder of the position continue to run. And it kept running. And we actually got to capture a large profit down here. That was good. Very good trade. Wonderful trade. And with all that being said, that was all the trades I took today. And I'll see you in the next one.